Yeah, we've got an impact day tomorrow. This is to give you the heads up that we are in for some big changes. In fact, Taos Ski Valley, you'll be seeing some snow by tomorrow for sure. We have some breezes out there right now, and that's boosting the temperatures. It's a warm breeze, 73 degrees in Albuquerque. The record for today is 80, so not quite the record, but definitely a lot warmer out there with those breezes out of the south, 22 gusting to 37 miles per hour. I hope you enjoyed it because we have a big chill down on the way. Two big cold blasts ahead, windy, colder rain and snow showers, and an eerie chill for Halloween. Check out the winds tomorrow. We'll see the breezes pick up across the west in the early part of the day. And as a front sweeps across the state, we'll see those winds really crank up here in the metro area. It will be a much cooler wind across much of New Mexico for tomorrow, and that chance of rain and snow showers. Impact day tomorrow, 55. Yeah, that's it. After the 70s today, you'll need the coats and jackets for sure. Here's that rain and snow. It could be dicey travel, Gallup and Grants along I-40, especially in the morning. Farmington, snow showers for you possible. Santa Fe, a chance of some rain and snow showers whipping through. And Albuquerque, we have a slight chance, about a 20% chance of a shower. I do think that, yeah, we'll see an accumulating snow event across the northern mountains, also around the Raton Pass. Warm and breezy for your Tuesday, at least warmer. And then another weather impact day for Wednesday, the coldest air so far this season, 49. That's it for a high on Wednesday. Windy and cooler with highs only in the 30s in Santa Fe, 20s in Raton. More snow across northeast New Mexico could create some difficult travel. Then look at that. By Halloween morning, we're down to 21 degrees, very cold. And you see for Halloween afternoon, highs only in the upper 40s. So yes, we are going to have some big cold blasts ahead. And I think that the trick-or-treaters on Halloween definitely going to have to bundle up in layers. Watch out tomorrow. That morning commute, of course, Eric Green will be here with updated information on that.